guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So now that spring is officially here, I figured I would show you guys my FabFitFun box for the spring. I absolutely love this company and I've showed it before, but it's basically a customizable box that is sent to you every season. And what I love about it is one product alone in there can actually cost more than the entire box. It's usually full of products that are home decor, fashion, beauty, and fitness. What I love most about it is it's usually like a surprise of what you're gonna get, but you get to customize the surprises. And then if you are a member, they have access to their exclusive shop and then flash sales as well. So each box is $59, but if you choose the annual purchase, then it's going to be $55. So that is a steal as well. So it's 4 boxes for the entire year for $55 each box. I'm gonna put my code down below so you guys can get 20% off your first purchase. I definitely recommend it. I love it, and I just love how everything you get is just a name brand product. It's not something that you would just see randomly. These are things that you would want to purchase. So I actually have the box right here. Everything is inside. I'm excited to see what I ended up getting. I did not even open it yet, so we are just going to find out together what's inside. Oh my gosh, I love this already. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. The first thing I'm gonna show you, and this is probably the most exciting thing I see right now. This, and if you guys know, I've been working out like crazy lately. You can see my Apple Watch is on right now, and it actually is a Coach Apple Watch band. This is so cool, and it's like a beautiful blue shade. I'm gonna switch my band out and put this on right now, but I love it. It's like that perfect spring blue. It's kind of like it's a muted Tiffany blue, if that makes sense. So it's like not a bright Tiffany blue, but it's definitely like that tealish color. This is so stinking cute. And I know I need to get a new cover. It looks terrible, but look how cute that is. It's the same size that I use too. I am already knowing that I'm gonna switch this out for sure. Definitely gonna switch this out. I love it already. My favorite thing. I don't even have to open up anything else. I'm sold. So I'm gonna open up the next thing. This right here is from Commodity Gold. I haven't heard of them before. It's a perfume, so let me open up to see what it smells like. Oh, this is cute. It's a different type of packaging. This is like one of those date night perfumes. I like the smell of it actually. And it has vanilla in it. I can definitely smell that. And vanilla is one of my favorite smells. So this is nice. I like it. And this, the sizing is 1 fluid ounce, but Commodity Gold. This smells good. I love this. This is, you know what? It's not, I want to say, it's not like a bright smell. It's like a evening smell, but definitely something I would wear when I'm going out like date night. This smells so good, and I know I'm like sniffing my hand like crazy, but man, this smells really good. So 2 for 2 for sure. That was amazing. I mean, I would probably buy this afterwards on my own. This is something that I could see myself going into Sephora and buying because it just smells that good. So good job, FabFitFun. 2 for 2. Let's see what our next one is. Oh wow, this is from Vince Camuto. So let's see. I hope I'm saying his name right, because you know what I mean, I'm always screwing up names. But you're gonna have to excuse my nails because I didn't do them yet. I always do press-ons for the week, and I did not get to them yet. But wow, this is so beautiful, guys. And I'm gonna do it up close so you can see. Wow, look at that. That looks so nice. And it's like, I think it's like a theme they got going on here with the blues, because it's different shades of blue inside of the necklace. This is just so beautiful. I want to put it on right now because I don't want to ruin like it's just too much going on. It's gonna be too much. But it's just so beautiful. Wow, you guys outdid yourself with this box. This is amazing. All right, here's the next thing. The next thing is the Better Than Sex eyeliner. I've never used any of them before. I know they have like a mascara and an eyeliner. Never used either. So I'm excited to try this out. Trying to see Oh, and it says it's the deepest black possible. Perfect, because I love me some black eyeliner, and it's waterproof. It says it's extreme long wear for 24 hours, non-fading, flake proof, smudge proof, intense pigment load. Ooh, shake me baby before each use. That's what she said. So this is awesome. So I'm excited to try this. And I'm sorry if you're hearing Bailey snoring in the background. This girl is acting like she ran a marathon, and I keep yelling at her randomly to wake up. Bailey, wake up. Goodness. But yes, this is so, oh wow, this is so cool. Let me see what it looks like. Ooh, and it's a thin line too. I don't know if you can see it. That's how thin it is. Wow. Oh, I'm excited to try this for sure. All right, so the next thing is Barefoot Scientist. And Lord knows I need something for these heels because the spring is coming and these dogs are not ready. So this right here is a pedicure file from Barefoot Scientist. And they have that in here. And then in here, it's from, I really hope I'm saying this right. I don't want to mess up anyone's name. But Cusio Natural, or Cusio. It's a intense hydrating heel treatment. They have intense hydrating heel treatment. Let me see what it smells like. I'm still smelling this perfume, so I don't know how I'm going to smell this because that perfume is so good. It's like it smells just like a spa, like when you go to get your feet done anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out for sure because I was just talking to my friend at work and I was like, we need to get our feet done for sure because it's getting warmer and we are ready. So hopefully this will help me before I get them done. This is gonna be like step one before I go to the salon. So thank you, that's exactly what I needed. And then my last thing, this is hilarious because I was just telling myself, all right, I'm gonna put on some nails. And then look what came, Glamnetic. And I've never tried Glamnetic before. It says reusable press-on nails. I'm just gonna open it to see. It comes with 30 nails and nail glue. I have been living for press-on nails. I've been using press-on nails for the past, ooh, and I broke the packaging, I'm sorry. I've been using press-on nails for the past 3 years now, and when I tell you, they are everything. Like, press-on nails are life, and they will save you so much money. So this is pretty cool that they sent me these. I'm gonna see what it looks like on me. It's hard to show. I'm gonna have to shape these out, but I do like the way it looks. Don't mind my nails right now, because God knows I need these press-on nails. And I like the ombre. I think this is actually really cute. Like, it's hard to see on here, and I'm gonna have to show you guys when they're all done, but I love the ombre, how it looks. I don't know if I can do like an up close for you guys. There they go. Like, look how beautiful that is. It's like a natural ombre, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing these for sure. They're like the perfect teacher look, that natural ombre. It's definitely cute for the spring before you hit like those bright summer colors. They give you the alcohol pad, the nail glue. This is really cute, so I'm definitely gonna be trying them. Never heard of Glamnetic before, but I'm excited to try these on. So that's basically everything I got from FabFitFun for the spring, and I have to say, they outdid themselves with this box. I am obsessed with everything that I got. Like, everything I got is everything I would purchase on my own. So I think they outdid themselves. There's nothing that I can say is wrong with this box. They really did an outstanding job this season, and I am just so happy with everything I got. So that's basically everything that FabFitFun has sent me for this spring box. I am obsessed with everything I got. I can guarantee you this is everything I would probably purchase on my own. So to know that you can get all of this for less than $55 is ridiculous. I'm just so happy with everything. I can't wait to see what my next season's box is going to look like. If you guys are interested, I am gonna put that code down below for you to check it out as well. Remember, that first box you get is 20% off with my code. So definitely check them out. Let me know what you got in your box. I am just so happy. I'm already gonna take off this watch and put it on because this is so sick. This is like literally Oh my gosh, like you guys made my day. I am just beyond thrilled with everything that I got in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely let me know if you end up getting FabFitFun for yourself and what you get in your box. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and FabFitFun, thank you for making this season's box amazing. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.